Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Gladys here, guys. I'm so excited to have my face here on the camera. Today we are going to be touring the home for spring/Easter. You're going to see a little bit splash of spring here with mostly Easter items, and I'm going to do my full house tour for spring very soon, so definitely stay tuned, guys. The sun is out, the trees are blooming and the flowers are blooming. It's just it's such a joyous time. You know, this is why I have my spring flower right by the door. I'm so excited to go ahead and film this video for you guys. It's one of my favorite videos to film. It's one of my videos that do really well here on the internet, on YouTube. So you guys actually like this home tour. So I'm gonna go ahead and we are going to tour. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of things that it's here, and we are going to tour the home together. For those who are new here, my name is Gladys. I show you guys here how to live a simple, and a clutter-free lifestyle. That's my purpose here, and hopefully you will click on the subscribe button and stay and be able to watch more videos coming from me. And for those who have been here and keep coming every time I post a video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Let me stop smiling and let's go ahead and tour the video. I'm so excited because it's so warm outside. It's just so cozy. I love it. Let's go ahead and let's tour the home. Let's go. As you enter into the entryway, which is a very small and narrow path, so I make sure everything it's against the wall. I used to have chairs and everything here, but I just make sure everything's against the wall so that it doesn't bother the small hallway that we have here. So what I wanted to bring out for Easter was my little Easter bunny right here, and I keep this very special dear to my heart because it was gifted to me by a friend. Thank you so much, Chancela. And I always bring it out every Easter. It either goes in my living room, entryway, whatever, but it's super cute. It's just this cute little bunny with the gold ears on it. It's just so cute. I keep it over here, and I wanted to just incorporate a little bit of floral. I know it's not real, but I love the greenery with the little of floral from the vase, and I think it's just super cute. Just add it here with my book from the Goodwill or dollar store. I'm not sure, but I usually buy them for either store. And I don't do wrong with Pampers Grass. I love my Pampers Grass. So one of the viewers shared with me that if I spray some hairspray on it, it was not going to go away and fly everywhere. And it's true. I have opened this door for at least the intro, and none of the Pampers Grass have flown. They're here. So I just love the simplicity of it with the black mirror and the table. I'm thinking of changing this table. I really want to get something a little bit modern, and I want to be able to sell this or bring it to church. So I'm still thinking of what to do with this table section. But yeah, this is my entryway section here for the Easter season. Let's go into the living room. I love this little vase right here. I think it's super cute, from Ross. This is actually a planter that I went in and placed the candle inside. I don't know if you can see it. Placed the candle inside. Super cute. Just love the minimal and white aesthetic of it. On my table, a lot of people ask me what this table is from. The table is actually what is it called? A Target table. It was brown here and black on the top, and I printed a little bit of satin white, and I love it. I love these ring little circle thingies, or usually from Target, but I got this at a store called Black Friday. It was about $5, and that was a huge score. I just kept my chairs very simple by adding some white pillow covers on my pillows. That's what I do. Interchange them instead of wasting money and getting yourself new pillow covers, new pillows all the time. I just keep the inserts and I change the pillow covers. These pillow covers are from IKEA. You guys have seen it in many videos previously to that. For fall and winter, I had a black pillow cover here, and I love it because I can bring this usually to the couch here, or I can keep it here on the chair. I think it's super cute, and I love the blue chairs with pop with the white on top of it, guys. It's just super cute in my opinion. Guys, I'm obsessed with this table. Obsessed. These things are for a bargain, and I'm gonna go through everything and show it to you guys. My florals here were my florals for fall. I got this from what is it called, Hobby Lobby. It was actually a fall floral, but I love the fact that it's muted and it still has a little bit of the green in there. And the vase, guys, this vase was from Goodwill. It's a huge vase, and this is actually a membrane vase, but I got it at Goodwill, and I just love the simplicity of this table with the white table. It just pops. And guys, I'm in love now with black and white, coming from one of my favorite designers and also YouTuber here on YouTube, Valentina, the House of Valentina, and I will tag it here and you guys can go and see her videos. It's just, I'm in love with her home, and she does these type of black and white candles, and I love it on top of books. You can get yourself a very expensive book or very cheap books like I do. My books are usually from the Goodwill, and they're about $1.99 for the hardcover, and I just remove the cover. I just make sure I get a neutral cover like this, which I'm able to go ahead and utilize for every different season. So I just love this. It just looks so inviting and so cozy. I can't wait to go ahead and burn this candle and just make it very warm and inviting over here. It's just so pretty in my opinion for the spring season. Literally, simplicity has become my norm. Throwing some throw blankets on my couch just makes it very cozy and very inviting. For those who know me, know that I hate having a lot of things on the couch. It feels a little bothersome to me personally, and I have little kids, so I feel like they're unable to sit here. So I just keep this black and white pillow, black and white throw from Ross. And a lot of people ask me where this is from. It's actually from Ross. It's not like a crazy name brand, but it's very cozy, and you can put it on the skinny side or on the large side. And I wash it. The stains come off. We use this for movie nights. We use it to cozy on up. It's just super cute, and it matches with the floor. And let's go to the floor. If you're not following me on Instagram, I will leave my Instagram handle right here and also down below. Please go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because that's usually where I share my little tips and tricks. And I mentioned to you guys on Instagram that my husband wanted us to get a rug underneath our bed because he wanted to protect the carpet that was there. So I love the rug that was here previously. It was a larger rug. It was about a 10 by 12. Yes, it was huge. It went all the way down there, went all the way up here, and I loved it. And I wish I would have found another one the same size, because it was really big. But I love this one because I love the black and white of it, guys. It has made this living room feel bigger, feel more modern. I just love the fact that it has less colors, and the aesthetic of how it's cut out, guys, is just super pretty. I'm trying to be careful with it so that we don't stain it, guys, because I have little kids. Again, yes, we do not wear shoes in the house, but as we are leaving the house, we do put shoes on, and then we are trekking by the door, and then when we leave and we don't have shoes on, when we come, we step on the dust, and then it can get here dirty. So I try my best every night to clean, dust the floor, and mop the floor. But yeah, we're not here for cleaning tips, we're here for the carpet. I just love the simplicity of this rug. It's just super pretty in my opinion. I will give you guys a close-up on it. This rug was from Ross. I have fell in love on how I set up this table. This console table has become my favorite table that I ever purchased. I love the one upstairs, but I love the white of this. IKEA has been one of my favorite places to shop for anything, and I love this console table. But it's really big, and you have to add certain things in it, so it doesn't feel boring, it doesn't feel plain. And I don't like minimal homes that feel literally like it's so plain, so boring. I want a little bit of warmth and something cozy in there, so the home doesn't feel so plain. My home does look plain, but guys, hey, that's how I like it. But in my opinion, I love colors, and I want colors to make it feel a little bit more warmer. So I went for black and white, guys. You can't go wrong with it. Even in your clothing, as you can see, my blouse, you can go wrong with black and white. I think it's a really pretty thing. But what I wanted to show you guys is something new here. This, guys, it's super beautiful. This vase is Yeah, I'm not able to read that, but I will leave the information down below. But I got this from Goodwill. As you know, I don't show you guys only minimalistic tricks here. I show you guys frugal living as well. And I love this. It was in very rough shape. I cleaned it, I dusted off, and I added some oil to clean it, to make it look a little bit shiny. But I love this, guys. It's just instead of having everything everybody has in your home, look for certain things that no one has it. And I love it, and I love this candle. Guys, this candle smells delicious. And this candle is actually, if I'm not mistaken, from Burlington. Now, if it's not Burlington, it's Ross. But no, it's Burlington. I love it. I love it, love it. And my little candle sniffer from IKEA. Guys, as you know, I've been obsessed with IKEA. You may wonder, Gladys, what is this bulb? So I went to the store called Five Below, called Black Friday, and this was part of lampshades that broke off, as you can see. But guys, I just love the aesthetic of it. So I asked them if I could purchase, and it was like separate, and they gave me 3 of them for $2. And if you look at it very closely, guys, it's actually really, really pretty. I love this simplicity of it. So these are the new things I added for spring, and I just added some florals over here. And my lamp is always the same lamp that I get from Goodwill. I got from Goodwill years back. Okay, let's step into the heart of the home, which is my kitchen. I kept the countertop very small. I decorated with fruit in the basket, and also I kept my flower from Hobby Lobby and a clear vase that I got, I believe, from Ross. That's it. I do not keep any soap, any sponge on my countertop, because I want the kitchen to just breathe for its own. Maybe for spring I will add a different flowers there, but this is it for the kitchen. So I want to take this moment to say thank you, guys. When I started this channel, all I wanted to do was to do YouTube and also show the fact that I love home decor. But I realized as I've grown here, and your encouragement and your love and your compassion for this channel has grown into another dimension, which is minimalism and clutter-free living. I have inspired so many people to declutter and get rid of clutter without even knowing. Doing it myself, it has become my niche, and all of that was done through you guys. I couldn't have this channel if you guys were not coming every week and showing your love every time I post. So I just want to say thank you so much for inspiring me to inspire you. Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Please like this video, share it with someone who is looking for clutter-free decors. I would truly appreciate your love. If I have inspired you, please write down the comment inspired. Thank you so much, guys, and to the next video.